Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sudharani, professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, I will explain an example of multi-level inheritance in Java, demonstrating it on CodeTantra platform. Multi-level inheritance is a form of inheritance where a class is derived from another derived class. In simple words, a class inherits from a class that already inherits from another class is called as multi-level inheritance. This allows the reusability of code across multiple levels of the class hierarchy. In this program, we are managing student data using three classes: student class, marks class, and result class. Student class is the base class, marks class inherits from student class, result class inherits from marks class. So we have a multi-level of chaining of inheritance. Results class extends marks class and marks class extends student class. Super class is students, its child is marks and its child is result. So student, marks, result, all three are in chain of multi-level inheritance. So first thing is we are writing student class which contains two attributes, ID and name. And also it contains two methods, set data and display data. The functionality of set data is to set ID and name of the student. Display data is to display ID and name of the student. The second class is the marks class which inherits from student. So that's why we have written class marks extends student. In this class, we are adding three float variables to store marks in Java, C and C++. And in marks class, we are having two methods which is set marks and also display marks. The purpose of the set marks is to set all three marks and the purpose of the display marks is to display the subject marks. Since it extends a student class, it also has access to two methods of the student class which is set data and display data. The third class is the result class which inherits from marks. This class performs calculation of total and average of the marks. There are two methods in the result class which is compute method and show results method. The compute method calculates total and average and show results method will display them. Along with these two methods, it also gets the methods of set data, display data and set marks and display marks. All the four methods from its parent and grandparent are available to the result class. In the main method, we take users input for student ID, name and marks in Java, C and C++. We call all required methods from different classes. Finally, we display the full result including student info like the student name and ID and also student marks in Java, C and C++ and also the total and average of the student. So, to recap all that we have studied in this example, multi-level inheritance helps organize code logically. Student class manages personal data, marks handles academic scores, result adds a performance summary. This promotes modularity, reusability and readability in object-oriented programming. So once we finish the code, let us try to check the output. So if the input is for ID 101, name is Sudha and Java marks 85, C marks 78 and CPP marks 92, then the total will be displayed as 255 and average 85.0. So this program successfully demonstrates multi-level inheritance in Java. I hope this helped you understand how inheritance works across multiple levels and how we can organize student-related data using object-oriented concepts like a class. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.